Hello everyone, welcome back to the solutions for the ISI PGDBA sample paper. We're at question 4. Now, I think you all understand that we are doing the quant section only, and the quant section starts from question number 25. So basically this would be question number 25 plus 4, which is question number 29. But since we are only doing one section, so I would mark it as question 4. Now, here it is given that P and Q are two matrices such that PQ equal to Q and QP equal to P. Nowhere is it said that P is or Q is invertible, so we cannot multiply by Q inverse and check. Although we can use some general principles, but we cannot use the inverse operation. Alright, so if PQ equal to Q, what does this mean? This means that if I multiply P on both sides, I end up with P squared Q equal to PQ, right? Which makes P squared equal to P, right? By matching. It's not a good word. By comparison. So anytime you multiply a matrix by P, it's the same as multiplying the matrix by P square, right? You get both of the results same in these cases. Okay, similarly, QP equal to P, this implies Q square equal to Q, right? By the same logic. From these two, I can say that P and Q are idempotent. Okay, you don't need to know the characteristics of idempotent matrices apart from its definition. The definition is just matrices that have a square equal to a. Okay, so these are idempotent matrices, and if this happens, if a square is equal to a, then we have to figure out what p cube and q cube are equivalent to. So p cube then gets equivalent to p square into p, right? P square becomes p and p into p becomes p square, which again goes to p. Similarly, q cube will go to q square into q, which is q into q, which will go into q square, which will be q. So therefore p cube plus q cube, this one will go into p plus q. Alright, select whichever option contains this, option C. Alright, so this was a very straightforward question. आपको बस इतना समझना था कि ये मेट्रिसेस आइडेम्पोटेंट है. अगर आइडेम्पोटेंस आपने एस्टेब्लिश कर लिया, उसके बाद आपको बस सिंप्लीफाई करना था, दो लाइन का सम था. आपको पहले यहाँ पे नोटिस करना है कि पी क्यू इक्वल टू क्यू मतलब आप दोनों साइड पे क्यू इनवर्स नहीं लगा सकते. आपने अगर क्यू इनवर्स लगा दिया तो आपके पास पी इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी आ जाएगा. पी इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी आ गया तो देखिए, आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिसेस के लिए जो रिजल्ट वैलिड होता है वो सारे मैट्रिसेस के लिए ना भी वैलिड हो सकता है, राइट? और यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी इन्वर्टेबल नहीं बोला गया हुआ है, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स भी नहीं बोला गया हुआ है. सो हम लोगों को कंपैरिजन टेस्ट यूज करना पड़ेगा, एंड इफ वी कैन एस्टेब्लिश द आइडेम्पोटेंस देन आवर सम इज डन. I hope this made sense, and if you have any comments, suggestions or feedback for this sum, then use the YouTube comment section please. और अगर आपको matrices का basics revise करना है, because ये क्लास 11 में पढ़ते हैं हम लोग. क्लास 10 में matrices के बेसिक्स मतलब एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन आईसीसी बोर्ड में पढ़ाया जाता है, बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द ऑपरेशंस और ये आइडेम्पोटेंस और सारे रिलेशंस ये क्लास 11-12 में ही पढ़ाया जाता है. तो अगर आपको ये वाला पार्ट रिवाइज करना है तो आप प्लीज़ बैनर में दिए गए कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स पे हमारे साथ संपर्क करें और टीम विल गेट इन टच विद यू. Okay, I'll end this video here. Thank you all for joining, and we'll meet again in question 5, which I hope you know is question 25 plus 5 equal to 30, because we are doing the quant section only. Bye, take care.